Hello and welcome. The number of positive cases for coronavirus is now almost touching 20,000 in India. About 640 people have died, while in many parts of the country it's flattening, if not lowering. It's still a big concern, particularly in cities like Mumbai, where I am presently, and many other states in the country as well. But one state which has seemingly overcome the challenge that coronavirus has thrown at it is the state of Goa. To discuss that, I'm joined by Vishwajit P. Rane, the Health Minister for Goa, who also looks after industries, trade, women and child and skills. Mr. Rane, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Govind.
I know that all the cases have been cured at the Goa Medical Hospital and everyone has gone home. So what are you doing presently?
Initially, when there was the cases slowly started rising in India, we immediately were one of the first states to go in for a sort of a lockdown, and we were insisting that there should not be a movement of people within the interstate. Our system was well equipped to basically trace the people. All the 7 people, who we got positive, once we got these 7 people were the ones who came from the ship. They started quarantining and doing whatever is the basic protocol that was there. But in addition, what we were doing is suspending all the OPDs. I think we must have been the first state to put random testing protocols in place to check people, even the foreigners who were there, so that we were in a better position to assess what is happening in the state of Goa. We should further strengthen the virology labs. We should increase testing setups in different district hospitals and in other places. Now, what we are doing is kiosks we are making available at the borders, and we are making kiosks available at the industrial estates so that we have doctors there collecting the swabs from the patient, making collection also becoming very easy. We have done this door-to-door survey. We have identified about 5,000 such people in the state of Goa. For a small state like Goa, that's a big number which is going to be tested for COVID-19. Since we are zero, we are now trying to build up the bed capacity, the facilities in the COVID hospital, because we have got time now to build up these capacities. We have close to about 100 ventilators within the setup. But we have already placed an order more than a month back for nearly about 200 ventilators. Everybody has been showing interest of coming into Goa. What I have suggested to the cabinet, to my chief minister, is that we should insist on everybody carrying a COVID negative certificate before they fly. We have got 2 issues. One, tourism is badly. We are totally dependent to a great extent on tourism. We were dependent to a great extent on mining. Mining is shut. Tourism affected. So there is tremendous shortfall in terms of revenue. And this is a major cause of concern. So we cannot allow industry as a hub to shake.